Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to remove Microsoft Teams meetings from Outlook invites, so you can send calendar invites without automatically including Teams links. On your Microsoft Outlook dashboard, let's go to the Calendar section. From here, we can manage the meetings we no longer want included. To find your calendars, look at the upper left part of the screen, just under Mail. We simply need to click on that, and we will see all the scheduled events in your Microsoft calendar for the current month. If we want to remove a calendar event, for example, there is a meeting here that we want to remove from the Microsoft calendar and automatic invites. All we need to do is click the meeting and then click Delete in the pop-up window. Once we do that, a confirmation message will appear, asking if we really want to delete this event, since we will no longer be notified about it or take part in it. Let's confirm the deletion and it will be removed. This helps us control our Outlook meeting settings, so we can disable or remove the default Microsoft Teams meeting options. Once we are done, we will have a much cleaner schedule on the Microsoft calendar. We have now successfully removed Teams meetings from Outlook invites. This is useful when planning in-person meetings or using other conferencing tools, and we want cleaner, simpler calendar invites.